How to use VAGARO Pay Later. So, open the VAGARO app or visit the VAGARO website. Sign into your VAGARO account or create a new account if you don't have one. Navigate to the Payments or Checkout section within the app or website. Select the option for Pay Later or VAGARO Pay Later at checkout. Enter your payment and personal information as prompted. Agree to the terms and conditions of the Pay Later service. Complete the checkout process without making an immediate payment. VAGARO will process your order and send you a payment reminder via email or notification. Make the payment within the specified timeframe provided by VAGARO. Ensure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds for the transaction. You may incur late fees or penalties for missed payments, so make sure to pay on time. That's it. Thanks for watching.